Hey guys, it's Miss Sprunger. Here we are examining the zero power rule and the negative exponent rule. Very simple once they kind of get explained. So let's kind of take a dive in and look at this. So the zero power rule, it always equals 1. And I'm going to kind of explain this using the problem here. So let's think back to our quotient rule. Remember with quotient rule, we think, okay, are there more of my base number, in this case it's 5, on the top or on the bottom? So 5 to the third can be written as 5 times 5 times 5. 5 to the third can be written as 5 times 5 times 5. Well, remember, to kind of gauge are there more on the top or bottom, we talked about either canceling or subtraction. So we can actually, 3 minus 3 is going to give us an exponent of 0, okay? So if we were to kind of simplify this, remember what we do with our quotient rule is we're subtracting our exponents. So 5 to the 3 minus 3 is going to give us 5 to the 0. If we also look at this, 5 divided by 5 here cancels. 5 divided by 5 cancels. 5 divided by 5 cancels. So the only thing we're left with is the number 1. Okay, so 5 to the 0 power is actually equivalent to 1. 4 to the 0 power, also going to be equivalent to 1. 1,753 to the 0 power. Guess what that's going to be? 1. Anything raised to the 0 power is always going to be equivalent to 1. Okay, so just kind of remember this. Anything to the 0 power is going to be 1. If you need more explanation, I'm happy to explain it to you guys in person, but hopefully this is kind of like a reminder of what we did in class. All right. Negative exponent rule. Make it a fraction with a 1 on top. These are super easy peasy lemon squeezy. 5 to the negative first power. We're basically just flipping it, okay? So 5 to the negative first is actually going to be 1 over 5 to the first, which you actually don't need to include that little one, because 5 to the first is the same thing as 5. But we actually flip these because we can't have negative exponents, okay? And I wanted to make this video short and sweet, so this is kind of like lengthy to explain why this is, but I'm happy to explain it to you guys in person, or if you guys need me to make another video, I'm happy to. But this is just, if you missed a day, you wanted to refresh before a quiz or something, this is an easy one to get. 6 to the negative third power is going to be 1 over 6 to the third. 2 to the negative fourth power is going to be 1 over 2 to the fourth. Okay, 7 to the negative third power, I'll let you think about it for a second, is going to be 1 over 7 to the third. Okay, so hopefully this helps. Whenever you've got a negative exponent, we can't have those. I wanted to make this short and sweet, so I tried not to make it too lengthy. But if you need me to make another video or explain this more, I'm happy to. So hopefully this helped you guys review a little bit, and I hope you guys have a good day.